Sana kayong dalawa ay patuloy na lumago sa inyong pagmamahalan araw-araw.
Dear Mahal, Berhelma Maria Riba, Mahal, ito na ang takdang araw na itinakda ni Lord para sa atin.
There's a couple billion people in the world, and a million other places we could be, but you're here with me. Take a moment just to...
Hi, Mahal, Mrs. Riba. Ito na ang araw na pinakihintay natin. Bilang natin, pati lahat ng malapit at nagmamahal sa atin.
Alam kong memorable itong araw na ito para sa iyo at sa akin. Dahil ito rin ang petsa kung kailan napagdaanan natin ang isa sa pinakamabigat na pagsubok sa ating pagsasama.
Tanggapin mo ang munting regalo na ito mula sa aking puso. Sana ay magustuhan mo. Love, your Mahal, Charmaine. Uy!
There's a couple billion people in the world, and a million other places we could be, but you're here with me. Take a moment just to take it in. 'Cause every high and every low led to this. I'm just so glad you exist. I'm glad you exist. Ooh. You say you'll be down at 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do.
Last year, December 6, 2024, nung araw na na-aksidente ako, doon ko napatunayan na sobrang swerte ko.
You won't be so
Ikaw ang literal na naging kanang kamay ko. Kasi nga wala eh. Nabali eh. Pasaway at makulit nga eh.
Mula sa araw na ito, pinapangako ko na hindi ka na mag-iisang harapin ang pagsubok at kalungkutan. Kasamahan kitang ipagdiwang ang saya at panalo sa buhay.
I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm
Kaya ngayong December 6 to 2025, palitan na natin yung memories. Gawin nating masaya yung araw na to. Hindi man ako nag-propose sa'yo, at least, kasal na tayo. Kesa naman nag-propose, hindi kinasal, di ba?
It started when you said hello. Just did something to me. And I've been in
Hi Mahal, alam ko marami ka ng bag. Kaya ito bag pa rin yung regalo ko. I love you so much, Mahal. Bawi ako sa Pasko. Love mo.
and I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I
Pinapangako kong mamahalin at aalagaan ka sa abot ng aking makakaya. Magiging mabuting asawa at ina sa ating mga magiging anak at lagi na natin magkasamang haharapin ang ngayon, bukas at walang hanggan. Mahal na mahal kita. Nagmamahal siya.
Yeah, man. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind. 'Cause when you look at me with
Mahal na mahal kita. Alam ni Lord yan. Pati pato ako sa'yo. Hindi kita iiwan, itaga mo sa buto. Itaga mo sa bato. Salamat sa lahat, mahal. As in, sa lahat. Nagmamahal, Mrs. Riba.
I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time, I'm just as nervous. Every time you walk into the room, I'm speechless. Oh, you know it.
Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag maghiwalay.